Here's part 2 with the sound test. As you can see, I had put this back on off camera. I had taken it off for the initial video. So this is the royalty-free music off of YouTube Music. These grills aren't even moving at all. JBLs are known for like moving a lot on these side grills. Okay. Shut this one off. It's kind of harder to see. There it goes. And we'll reset this. Same volume. See that grill's moving. Volume is a lot louder, so when buying online, just be careful, and if it's too good to be true, it is. And apparently I didn't learn my lesson, so see you around.